Welcome to Porto, Portugal. In this video, we're spending 48 hours exploring this stunning coastal city, known for its rich history, famous wine, and incredible budget-friendly experiences. Whether you're here for the food, sights, or culture, we've got you covered with a guide that won't break the bank. Let's dive in. Start your first morning by exploring Porto's historic Ribeira district. Stroll along the riverfront, take in the beautiful architecture, and grab a coffee at a local cafe for under €2. The vibrant streets here are full of life and color, perfect for those Instagram-worthy shots. Porto is all about soaking in the atmosphere. Spend some time people watching and exploring the alleyways lined with local vendors and street performers. Next up, cross the iconic Dom Luís I Bridge. It offers stunning views of the Douro River and both sides of the city. And the best part? It's completely free to walk across. On the other side of the bridge, head over to a local cafe in Vila Nova de Gaia. Here you can enjoy traditional Portuguese pastries, a perfect way to experience local flavors without breaking the bank. As the sun sets, head back to the Ribeira district to enjoy some street food. Porto's street vendors offer budget-friendly options like bifana, a delicious pork sandwich, for just €3. The variety of street food here is incredible, from grilled sardines to pastel de nata. Find a spot by the river and enjoy your meal with a view of the city lights reflecting on the water. An unbeatable experience at no extra cost. Start your second day with a visit to the Clarigos Tower. For just €6, you can climb to the top for panoramic views of Porto. It's a bit of a workout, but totally worth it for those breathtaking vistas. After that, don't miss Livraria Lello, one of the most beautiful bookstores in the world. Entry costs €5, which can be used toward a book purchase. Even if you're not a big reader, the architecture alone is worth the visit. For lunch, head to Mercado do Bolhão or any local cafe for some traditional Portuguese dishes like bacalhau, a salted codfish dish, or francesinha, a famous Porto sandwich. You can enjoy a meal for under €10, perfect for budget travelers. Porto's food is hearty, affordable, and absolutely delicious. Don't leave without trying these local favorites. Finally, end your 48 hours in Porto with a trip to Foz do Douro Beach. Just a short bus or tram ride from the city center. It's a great place to relax, watch the waves, and catch one last beautiful sunset before you go. Porto may be famous for its wine, but it has so much more to offer, especially for budget travelers. We hope this guide helps you make the most of your 2 days in this amazing city without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides.